Okay, haven't made a video in a while. I've been going through storage and sorting through things to try to get rid of extra clutter. And I was going to close up my PVK stuff and wrap it in plastic, put desking in it, so put it in the shed. And I pulled this one out of the box, and I didn't realize that I had one that I haven't opened yet. This is one of the ones, the drive module for that's got the bike unit in it with the pedals and stuff. And so it got me worried because there's like a hole right here in it, in this sealed bag, which this is one of the ones I got from Birmingham. I might have said that already, but they were in a wet environment. I don't know if they were in a basement or whatever. But I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what kind of condition it's in. This is one of the other ones I had that was in my other video. So it's, this one was in good shape when I opened it. I'm going to go ahead and open this bag and see what it looks like. If that hole was not there, I would probably leave it sealed up. But I'm going to go ahead and open it and see what kind of condition it's in. Okay, we're going to cut this open. I guess this is probably, 60 years since this bag was completely open. It's not smelling too good inside, but it looks good. I'm just hoping it's not. I don't care about musty smell. I'm mainly worried about rust and corrosion. So that's what they look like inside. The inside of the foil looks really good. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out of there. Okay, here's the bag off of it. And we're going to go ahead and lay it down and open it up and see what it looks like. So far, it looks promising. Oh yeah, looks good. There's the bike. I just call it the bike unit, complete with seat. These are the pedals and the chain. There's nothing else in here. Probably that's the only thing. Damage. I see that stupid styrofoam right there, but it's still got the preservative on it. So even though it wasn't sealed, it's in good shape, so that's cool. I had forgotten that I even had one that had not been opened. So anyway, I'll go ahead and put some deskant bags in this and put it all back together and wrap it in plastic. And hopefully, maybe I'll be able to put this together and get it on display over at the Military Museum of Fort Worth. I need to check on what's going on with them. They were mentioning they might have to move, but I haven't talked to them in a while. But anyway, there's a package ventilation kit. Unit B drive module opened up, unboxed.